Hello there. Hey, welcome to my channel, Student Composer. My name is Ray. I'm continuing this series and it's titled, Does It Sound Like? This would be my fourth entry, and I decided to do a cover, imitation, rendition, whatever it's called, of the Avatar, The Last Airbender, the Nickelodeon version, not the live action version. So I remember watching this show as a kid. It was really fun. I remember going to school and talking to my friends about it and pretend playing as if we had these powers. I decided to rewatch it. I think Netflix picked it up sometime last year during the beginning of the quarantine. And I saw it there and I thought, hey, I'll watch this again. It was really fun and it was amazing. Seriously, every time I watched it, one episode, the next episode, I loved the story. I loved the characters, and I connected with it in a special way. I cried a lot, which is embarrassing to say about like an anime show, but it was really emotional for me, and I love the music. So it's awesome that I challenged myself to try to write in that sort of style. So I'd love to share with you a cover and rendition of this style from the Avatar, The Last Airbender. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, thank you so much for listening to that. Been having a lot of fun trying to fulfill these challenges, and mainly because I actually really do like these shows and these movies, and I want to learn how to draw that emotion in that I'm getting from what I'm watching from the picture. So it's really cool that I've been able to just challenge myself this way. But also, it is very challenging for me. It doesn't come easy. It's hard, especially as I'm trying to choose the right software and the right sound. I hope that I get close to it, and I hope my mix sounds fine. It is a really awesome learning experience for me as a composer. I'm getting to learn some of the techniques, and I connect with these shows. But that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.